In this video, I'll explain how the pen pad assisted me in the production of the print task. The pen pad was extremely helpful in the creation of the background, especially when creating the blood writing here seen for the background of my magazine. I could have easily used just the brush just to make writing like this, but I felt this did not have, it didn't look authentic, it didn't look actually like blood, which is why I decided to mess around with the tools, mess around with the brush especially. Good thing about the pen pad is that more pressure you put down on the pen pad, the thicker the lines come up on the screen, which is something you can't do with a mouse. Another positive about the pen pad is you can make really specific lines. You can do whatever you want. While on the mouse, it's harder to find specific areas. To make the blood effect, I messed around with the brush. I chose this brush, which the hardness at the bottom, meaning it's going to fade away around the edges. It's hard to tell, but it's faded more on the edge here. I then put the mode onto multiply, meaning when you overlap, it gets darker, as you can see in the middle here. I then put the flow fairly down low, making it much lighter, and making it even more obvious when it's overlapped. Then put the size jitter fairly high. As you can see, the effect it shows on the bottom here. I then put the scattering just a bit, not too much because otherwise it will look like this, but just a bit up. And lastly, I put the transfer fairly high up, making it seem a bit invisible and making it have that blood effect, which is not consistent, as blood is never really consistent like this, especially if it's on the skin or on a wall. Then when making it, I'll put layers, and I'll put more pressure down on the bottom of it, on the bottom of the letters, making it seem as if all the blood is sunk to the bottom and it's overlaying there. And when writing, I made it look, I didn't make it look too neat because I felt that would make it look even more scary. And even using different colours on some areas to make them seem even darker, as if it's clogged up with blood there. And that's how I made the blood writing.